right, so I am just about to open this planner. So excited, really taking a moment to appreciate my effort because this has been a long time coming. I've wanted to do a planner ever since I started About Action Now. In addition to the planning part, I had to get the goal part, setting part right, and what I wanted to say before you set your goals. And so I also wanted it to be attractive and simple for people to use, like not too distracting, or just the right amount of space for creativity, but simple, not too many flowers and flourishes and all of that. And so I think I've accomplished it, and this is the sample. And I'm excited to see this sample and see what I think of it in person. One of the things that I ran into in developing it was that I had too many pages. So it was important to me to create a planner that could be used, that had a daily page so that you can write out your day daily. When I first became an entrepreneur, there were days that I really wanted to take all the activities that I had to do and time them out and then put them on a piece of paper so that I can see how I can fit it all in, or if I can fit it all in. And it also would help me prioritize. So if I only had 2 hours, which of these things that I want to get done? So I really wanted the planner to have daily days. And when you have daily sheets, it kind of thickens your planner out. So the first iteration, I had 440 pages. And that was just too many. I think they told me that it was going to be 7 inches thick. I think that might be a exaggeration, maybe 3 inches or 4 inches, but they said 7 inches, so I had to reduce it. So I went back to the drawing board and switched up the style of the pages, took some things out, created a weekend page so that there would be less, and so this is the result. And I'm excited to see it. Another thing that I went back and forth is about the style of the planner. I really wanted a faux leather look as opposed to a spiral bound cardboard covering. And finding that in a price range that was reasonable was important. So I'm looking for quality. I'm looking to see that the ink, the pages and the ink are dark. If you can see clearly, and then it looks really good. I'm so excited! Well, here it is. It's kind of thick, but it's a good looking planner. It's a great looking planner. The About Time Action Planner. It looks good. It looks good. It feels good. It feels so smooth. It feels good. I like, well, you know, I put a little note for myself. That picture's kind of dark, but it still looks good. It looks good, y'all. Oh my goodness. I am pleased. Oh my goodness. So another thing that I wanted it to have was 3 ribbons. Because you have your monthly view, you have your daily view, and then you might have a notes page or some other page that you want to reference. So it comes with 3 ribbons, and they look good. Can you tell I'm excited? I am. All right, well, I just wanted to share this moment. I wanted to capture this moment. I'm not sure whether I'll share it, but I definitely wanted to capture this moment because it means a lot to me. And at some point, I'll look back at it and be proud when I've made all kinds of iterations of planners, when I'll remember this being my first. So very proud of this, very happy. Yay.